Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Nokia device, Nokia C21 Plus device, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 best themes for this phone. So sometimes we are tired of the standard appearance of our phone system, so then it's time to change something. So now I'll show you top 3 in my case for this device. So third theme in the third place is Niagara launcher. So let's install it. So just find Niagara launcher, find it and install. Wait for it. Click open and wait a while. So cool. Click agree and continue. Select your favorite apps. Click OK and great. As you can see, this launcher is different. This launcher has a really minimalistic interface and simple icons. To find any application you can use or search engine or this alphabetical line. For example, you want to find, I don't know, Gmail, so just touch your finger on this line and set it to G button, and here you will see all applications with G button in first later. So find Gmail and great, Gmail is opened. So now I will show you how to set this launcher as default. So to do it, as you can see, now I'm in my standard Nokia appearance. So now I want to set my Niagara launcher as default. So to do it, I need to open settings, then find here apps and notifications, then wait, notification, screen time, advanced. Okay, click advanced, click default apps, and here choose home app. Here choose Niagara launcher, and great, now Niagara is my default launcher. Okay, so great. In the second place, on the second place of my top is Nova launcher. Okay, Nova launcher is really great launcher, but Nova launcher is similar to standard Nokia launcher, so I will not show Nova launcher in this top, because in this top on the second place will Smart Launcher 6. So just find open Play Store and find Smart Launcher 6. Click install, wait a while. And click open. Great. Click get started, I agree, confirm, continue, while using the app, allow, confirm. Click on the cross in the right up corner, click set as default. Oh, I'm so sorry, not Niagara, but Smart Launcher 6. So we need to change it. So apps, advanced, default, and home app, Smart Launcher. Okay, as you can see, it's very beautiful launcher. Maybe it's not too handy as Niagara launcher, but it's really beautiful. And here we have Smart Search, here we have our home screens, here we have our top stories, and here we have our app drawer. in this app drawer we have a handy application grouping function. Here we have all our contacts, internet applications with internet scrolling interface. Here our games, media, utilities and settings, of course. Okay, so as you can see, it's really great launcher. Of course, you need to pay for additional features. For example, if you want to create new groups, you need to pay for it, but you can use it for free. Okay, and on the first place in my top is my favorite launcher, Microsoft Launcher. So find it and install. Wait for it. Click open. Click get started while using the app, allow, continue, and great. Here you can sign in with Microsoft account. So if you will sign in, if you will connect your Microsoft account to this launcher, then you will be able to receive messages and receive calls on your Windows device. So you can, thanks this launcher, why I love it, you can create mini ecosystem with your Android device and with your Windows device. Okay, so it's really great feature. I will skip it now because I want to show you a user interface of this launcher. I will show all feature of this launcher in another video. So let's go. Set as default. Microsoft launcher. That is default. Click always. Great. So cool. So now I will show you why I love this launcher. First reason, wallpaper button. Click on it and change the wallpaper to the other beautiful wallpaper. Okay. Second, you can customize everything here, really everything. You can customize themes, home screen, dock, app drawer, gestures. You can use gestures, okay? So pinch in, pinch out, double tap, swipe down, double tap, swipe up, double tap, two fingers swipe up, two fingers swipe down, swipe up, tap home screen from home. Okay, so you can change search engine, you can change search settings, backup, restore, and of course you can change dock. Here you have your favorite apps panel, and you can add more favorite apps in this panel. You can set up everything here. You can set up main menu. You can hide applications in this launcher. You can hide applications and set passwords, and it's all for free. And of course you have widgets panel here. Here you can remove Microsoft launchers, Microsoft widgets if you don't use Microsoft applications, and you can add here your standard widgets, what you want, what you like, and it will always in your left panel. Okay, so I think that this is the best launcher for your Nokia device, and if you are using another launcher, so just write about it in comments. I will wait for your comment. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.